They're humping in the
Humpty
background.
Dumpty. How's that song go?
I don't know what you're talking
The
about.
Humpty Dance. It's a trend. You know the Humpty Dance.
Okay, our people aren't going to be able to hear anything because of the dogs in the background.
We're trying to shoot a video. But Mom, I'm playing.
Alright, you ready?
We'll see.
In periods of quietness. Hey guys, it's Jon and Morgan with Longhaul Lifesavers, and welcome to another episode of Finally Friday.
Woohoo! We made it to the weekend. And Quinn's excited too.
On the drive home from our errands today, Morgan said that she had a topic. This is never gonna get done.
We're gonna have to give them a bone. Please pause.
Just wait, you're just filling up the...
They have their bone. They should be quiet now. Hopefully.
On the drive home from our adventures out in the wild today.
FYI, don't go to the mall the week of Christmas.
That was a stupid mistake.
Yeah.
But on the drive home, Morgan said that she had a topic that she wanted to talk about. So you have the floor.
Hibachi Grills. Y'all, Jon and I have been together for 11 years, and one time I have gotten him to go to a hibachi grill. And I can tell you the date because it was my mom's birthday. My mom she loves hibachi. We went to a hibachi grill, and he and I had just started dating. We'd been dating for a couple months, and he didn't want to be rude and say, oh no, I don't like that, I won't go. So he went, and never again has he gone to hibachi. We left a store today, and he was starving, and he's like, well, there was a, what's it called, Kobe?
Kobe Steakhouse, yeah.
Yeah, Kobe Steakhouse. And he's like, you know, do you want to eat at Kobe's? And I was like, who are you and what did you do?
Because she loves hibachi.
Yeah, so I took advantage of this.
Here's
First
why
3 minutes, he's bitching already about it.
So here's why I hate hibachi.
Oh.
There's a multitude of reasons, but we're gonna go over the basics. So when you go to hibachi, you sit down and they start banging on the stupid skillet thing for no apparent reason, just to make noise. This is all he did the whole time, just...
If there is a reason and you know the reason, drop a comment and tell us why they bang on everything.
Why do you bang the spatula on the thing? There's no reason for that. Stop it. Quit making unnecessary noise. You're just making me mad. So that's reason number one. Reason number two is it doesn't matter what you order. It tastes like burnt soy sauce. Shrimp, burnt soy sauce. Steak, burnt soy sauce. Teriyaki chicken, burnt soy sauce. It doesn't matter what you get. It all tastes the same. Reason number three is it's outrageously priced just for it all to taste the same. No, okay, so all oatmeal tastes the same. If you put stuff in it, then yeah, it tastes different. But all oatmeal tastes the same, okay? Our bill tonight was $50. So that's like me buying $50 worth of oatmeal, portioning one section off and saying, well, this one's chicken teriyaki,
and filet.
This one's filet. No, it don't taste the same.
So it
all tastes the same.
He gets really upset about this. And then the kicker, when they brought the bill, they've added an automatic 15% gratuity because of COVID.
And a $5 charge because of the stupid smacking the spatulas. They would have got a 20% tip, but because you automatically added it, you're only getting the 15 you already added.
Oh my gosh.
Then we get there and we're sitting down and I thought, because it's a sushi bar too, I thought, I love sushi. I'll just do sushi. Well, there was no one else at our table, and evidently they won't just cook on the hibachi grill just for one person. So I had to get chicken teriyaki that all tastes like burnt soy sauce. Stupid. I hate hibachi grills. And I've hated them for a while. If you know me or...
For a while, the entire time I've ever known you,
yes,
you've hated hibachi.
I went one time when I was younger. I hated the food, and I told my mom, it's horrible food. It's horrible. But the show was cool. Like, the one guy made, like, a volcano out of the onions, and, like, he flimped straight into his hat, and, like, you're finding Nemo, you know, and the entertainment factor, whatever. But all the food tastes like crap, and ever since then, I have hated hibachi grills. I will eat it, don't get me wrong, look at me, I will eat it. But they all taste the same.
I was gonna say, you brought it home too. So.
My oatmeal analogy, I feel, is spot on.
Oh my lord. We leave, and I told him, because like, I got upset at dinner because he's getting all like, ridiculous over there. Can't you just take me on a damn date? And he's like, okay, fine. So then he, you know, was nice the rest of the time. So we get in the truck and I was like, I cannot believe this is the second time in 11 years that I've gotten you to go to a hibachi grill. And
I told her she gets one time every 10 years. And so the
I have
first
another
time,
decade.
the first time in the first 10 years was at her mom's birthday, and now she's used this one for this 10 years.
Oh my
so.
lord. Ugh.
I'm sorry, dear. Like if we were with a group and like you had other people there,
You-
and I could have got just sushi,
No.
because then it wouldn't have affected your experience.
Correct.
You know what
but
I mean?
like I've tried to get you to go before with other people, and you're like, no, won't do it. Won't do it.
Well, because the one you tried to get me to go to was just hibachi. There was no sushi. There was nothing.
Cause he's stubborn. Don't let him fool you. He's a liar.
It's just not. I'm not gonna spend that much for it to all taste the same.
I know. No, but
Does it not all taste the
in
same?
your defense, that was the worst hibachi I've had ever.
How could you tell the difference? They're
Because
all
other
the
ones,
same.
other ones have tasted better, and that one did not taste good. And he put like really weird crap in it.
So instead of being burnt soy sauce, it's just soy sauce. All tastes like soy sauce.
Yes, apparently, all taste like soy. I love soy sauce though, so it doesn't bother me. What?
That's fine if you like soy sauce, but I don't want my whole freaking meal
to just be
to
all
just be soy sauce. If I get a fillet, I want it to taste. I want to taste that cow, not your burnt soy sauce.
He has a new wedding ring.
Yeah, so it's one of the little
Rubber doodad.
stretchy.
Is it rubber or what is it?
It's silicone.
Silicone.
Yeah, I'm not sure if I like it. I don't know.
Was it the last hospital you were at told you had to have it?
Yeah, and I just bucked the system and never got it. We were at Bass Pro and they had them on sale, so I figured I'd try one. And I'm just not sure, like it's a lot thicker than my normal. When you grip, like all bunches up under here. My wedding band is a lot thinner through here.
Yeah, the top is thick and the bottom is
Yeah,
thinner. Yeah.
so I don't know. I may just switch back. Because my other one was getting pretty beat up and dinged up, and it's a very nice, expensive ring. And I didn't want it to keep getting worse, especially with how much stuff I do with my hands. So I was just going to wear that on special occasions. And now I just sit here and I flip it back and forth and...
Does it make your hands sweat?
I flip it around and... No, it doesn't make my hands sweat.
No.
It's just...
I didn't know if it was like wearing a rubber glove on your finger
No.
or what. These dogs tonight, they are something extra.
Girls! Quit!
Say hi to YouTube land.
I know, your
Oh.
sister won't leave you alone.
I know. The big one's tattling on the little one right now. Hi. Hi. Yeah. Do you want to say hello? Hello. She says hello. Yeah. You already said hello. Quinn, do you have anything to say?
Lord, these dogs.
Oh my gosh.
Like anytime someone wants to... Let's go to the Hibachi Grill.
Okay, Jerry
Why?
Seinfeld.
What is with the Hibachi Grill?
This is always complaining.
We started a new show, the IT Crowd.
Oh, I was like, which one?
Yeah.
The IT crowd. It's pretty funny.
So we hated it at first. We're like, this is horrible, dry British comedy. And now it's gotten good.
We can thank our friends, Jordan and Heather, for that show. Thank you.
This is a mother flipping joke. Do we have any IT Crowd fans? Hello, have you tried turning it off and on? Have you tried shoving it up your arse? Is it plugged in? This next part is a crucial step. You have to turn it off and then back on again.
So, another decade, guys.
Is that what this whole Finally Friday is going to be about?
Apparently,
Is
it's
hibachi?
all about hibachi. No, we have, I'll put the video here for you. We had our first flight with our drone. We've been flying it a lot since then and having fun with it. And not necessarily recording videos. 9 out of 10 times we've flown it, we aren't really doing videos with it. We're just playing with it, practicing. But it's a lot of fun. We did the infamous track the truck, flight.
I want to do a better one where it's like the drone's here and the truck is here, so it's like
right down over
vertically on top of it.
Yeah.
Because the other one was like the drone was back here and we were driving away.
And it was following it. We just wanted to see whether or not it worked well, and it worked. It worked really well.
We've gotten a lot of gear this Christmas. We got a new camera. We got a new microphone.
I'll put that video here.
We got a drone. We got some SD cards. We got a GoPro. We got a Joby, which I'm really liking.
I'm holding it back. I'm holding it back.
Don't say it.
I call the Joby something else.
What?
What? I didn't say what it is. Rhymes with...
Stop.
Why? You always get to say really
Sounds
inappropriate
like...
2 words. Second word is beads.
Oh my God, Morgan.
What?
Shut up.
You shut up. But that's what I call it. We just shipped out all of our family's Christmas presents. The line was outrageous.
The lines everywhere today were outrageous.
That's true.
Jeez.
Yeah, and UPS is telling everyone it's estimated. They won't give you a for sure on anything.
They were air quote happy on that one.
They sure were. Yeah. The entire staff, there was 4 people running registers, and every single one of them, every time they would check someone out, they'd be like, it's estimated delivery. It's estimated delivery.
Yeah. Pro tip, don't wait until the last week to ship out your Christmas gifts.
You still like in the hospital here?
It's okay.
Boop! Got him!
I don't even want to talk about hospitals anymore because that part of my life is now like, I feel like it's behind me. Yes, it's still my current job.
But you checked out.
I am so checked out. Like, I'll give you your meds, save your life, and take care of you, but Jesus Christ, anything over that, I'm sorry. You need to find another nurse.
Yeah, no hospitality or compassion.
Nope. And you think I had none before. It's worse now. But wait, there's more.
Yeah.
Like, they messaged me the other day to pick up an extra shift, and I was like,
yeah.
nope. So I'm still finishing up my test for the new career. So once I get that completed, I'm going to work like a fiend and save up a bunch of money because I want a big nest egg in the savings account to make this transition. Our original plan was to segue into this new career and moonlight in this new career and still be a travel nurse. But I think I'm going to bankload a bunch of money on this contract and just hard stop.
We have like 1 more week till we move. Thank God.
I don't want to relive this shit.
Oh, are you sure? 2020, we can do a repeat of it?
Nope.
Yeah. We're almost done, guys. Almost done.
Home stretch.
But I hate to tell you, I think 2021, it might continue.
Yep, I think it may get worse.
Now they're talking about some new strain of COVID in England and whatever.
We got this as a gift from her parents.
It's the smallest Pelican case we've ever owned.
Small Pelican case, yeah. But what it is, see, you didn't even put it in
No,
right.
and the other ones are over there. Okay, so I haven't put them all in there yet.
But it's an SD card holder.
Holds the minis too.
Normally they would just be thrown about on the desk. So now we got a...
No, nobody's at the door. Nobody's at the door.
That was my fault.
Oh. You cannot knock because the little one thinks she needs to guard the house. 8 years ago when we got married, the photographer gave us all of our photos on an SD card. I was actually friends with the photographer, so I was gonna edit because I used to do that stuff. I had left the SD card on the side table in the living room, and the husky was a puppy, and she got it off and ate the SD card. So John and I have no wedding photos. We have cell phone photos from our wedding, but that was 8 years ago. Do you know what cell phone photos from 8 years ago looked like?
Yeah.
Extremely pixelated. Maybe someday we'll recreate it. Would you marry me again?
Yes.
Let's go to Vegas.
I would go to Vegas.
I love Vegas.
Yeah, I know. You want to move to Vegas.
I do want to move to Vegas.
It ain't happening.
Oh, I miss it so much.
No.
Yes. They have Earl of Sandwich there. I really like food. I think that's what it revolves around.
Okay, so now it's time for your guys' input. We are looking at doing a giveaway again. What?
I thought we were doing ad-lib. You said we are looking at, and I was like...
Okay.
The first thought that came to my head was...
This is not an improv.
Listen,
This is not improv.
Listen, the first thought that came to my head was creating a slip and slide.
A what?
A slip and slide. I don't know why. That was the first thought that just popped in my head. But we're creating what?
We aren't creating anything. If you'd shut up for 2 seconds.
I'm crying. It hurts so bad. The battery's about to die. Oh no. Dun dun dun.
Okay.
What were you saying?
Will you shut up and I can say it?
Okay. Go ahead.
Okay, so we are going to be doing another giveaway here soon. We're going to call it the Road to 1,000, and that is when we get to 1,000 subscribers, we're going to shut it down. Not the channel, the giveaway. So for this giveaway, we're looking for your input. We're debating on 4 different prizes.
It'll be a DJI mini drone, a laptop, an iPad, or a GoPro. So make sure and comment below and tell us which one you would want to win.
So we haven't decided when to start the giveaway yet. We're still in debate about that. We will let you know soon.
We want to definitely thank our first 1,000 subscribers. That is like an amazing milestone. We just want to make it a big deal and thank all of you because obviously we wouldn't be what we're doing if it wasn't for all of you.
Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's episode. Thanks for watching. Until next time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And then head on over to Instagram and follow us at Longhaul Lifesavers. See you guys.
Bye.
Dunzo.